YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Where Secrets coming at you with another video. And before we get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, please. And to any newcomers, welcome to the family. And to the family, what's happening? So as y'all can see, y'all, I got my hoodie on. It's fall weather. It's cold. So, you know, it's time to put up the sandals, unless you still wear sandals in the wintertime. Fall time, that's your business. But me, anybody that knows me knows that I'm a major sneakerhead fanatic. I want to say my favorite sneaker, I really don't have one. I'm a Nike head, and I like Nike shoes. No offense to any other shoes, but I've been trying to kind of, you know, experiment with different shoes. So I purchased some shoes off Amazon, and also I purchased a pair of shoes from Gabes. So I just wanted to do a review and share that with you guys. So here we go. So I got them on the floor next to me. So it's a total combination of 3 pairs of shoes. I have big feet. I'm 5'10", and I wear a size 11, 11.5 in men. And y'all can only do that conversion to women, because I'm not even about to tell y'all what size I wear in women, because I have big feet. Like, what is it, like 12, 13? I don't know. Whatever. So all my tennis shoes are in men's sizes. And I purchased these Reeboks from Gabes. Sometimes I get a 12, depending on, you know, the shoe. Reebok shoes, what would I say? Reeboks and New Balances, those shoes are cut small. And some Adidas shoes. So it's best to go up a half size, or if they only have whole sizes, me personally, I go up a whole size. So this is called the, what is it, the Sea Leather Men Running. It really don't have a name, but whatever. Y'all, so I love bright sneakers, so I had to purchase these. Like highlighter green. As you can see, it has the Reebok sign right here, Reeboks right there. Has the gum bottom in all white, but the color itself is highlighter color. Pretty good. It's wide width friendly because I have wide feet, fat feet. And these shoes at Gabriel's, how much were these? I want to say, okay, here they go. The price, they said it's compared to $75. The price was $34.99, and you know that's not bad for some classic Reeboks, for real. And as you can tell, everything is highlighter color. The laces, everything. The only thing is white is the bottoms. But yes, I had to get these. Let me put that sticker over here. So, with Amazon, I don't know. So I just decided to get an 11. Hopefully they fit. They're not name brand. They're like Amazon brand shoes. In the bag. And the only thing I hate about this, because I don't like for my sneakers to crease. Y'all, they didn't even put my stuff in a box. From the looks of it, they're both in a bag. And they put both my shoes together. There's 2 pairs of shoes in here. So hopefully they didn't crease up, because if not, I'm going to be angry. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is the first shoe. They put them in a Ziploc bag. Like, come on now. Amazon, I'm gonna need for you to do better. So they put them little salt packets. So y'all purchase these shoes, okay, and it's some string hanging. But they're Amazon shoes. I'll try to link the 2 Amazon shoes below. Unfortunately, Gabes, it's like first come, first serve. But definitely check out your Gabes. And if you're around my age, Gabes been around a long time. Back in the day, they were called Gabriel Brothers. So yeah. So I'll definitely link these below. I thought these were pretty cute. They kind of remind me of What is it, like the Air Max Classics? I can't think of them, but the way they are in the front, I thought these were so cute. The bottom kind of have, what is this, like a ninja man? I don't know. And I thought these were so adorable.